Today I wanted to take a live trade with everybody, and I'm going to do a 20-day trading scenario where we do 20 trades just to do a test to see how we do. So you can see this is a euro dollar, right? It's down, big downtrend. See how strong this is, but we're starting to bottom out. We have 1, 2, 3 days here, and we're starting to get a reversal here on this MACD. So I'm going to go take a trade here. And I'm going to try to do 20 trades, and I'll keep you guys updated with the results of the 20. So, that's it. So, my goal with this 20 is to hit a lot of good risk to reward trades. And we're going to calculate it here. So I'm going to risk $1,000 on each trade, and we're going to see what happens at the end of 20 trades. So trade 1 is, and I'm not going to do this every day, but I'm going to do it when I get an opportunity. So it might take a little over a month. But it'll be interesting to see. Hopefully you guys will enjoy following along how we progress. So again, just to do a little analysis for you before, we got a nice strong downtrend. We have some type of bottoming out, and I want to draw a fib ratio from swing high to swing low to get an idea of a good target. So 23.6 or 38.2 would be a good target. So let's go ahead and put this trade on right now. You can also see it's starting to crossed over here. I got a double cross across here, MACD getting smaller, and I'm going to go ahead and take this trade. So one of the things I want to also mention is that we give away this MACD for free. You can actually download this. I'm sorry I don't have the link right now. It was in my last video. Let me grab that real quick here, because I think it's only appropriate to give you guys the link. So let me grab that for you.
Hey
I'm
everyone.
going to post it in the live chat. Okay. All right, so that's a free tool that you can use if you happen to use MT4. Here we go. I posted that in the live chat. Thanks a lot. Okay, so I went ahead and took the trade. Now we're going to go ahead and put the stop here. And let's see what the risk is. The risk is currently about 46 pips. And I'm going to throw my target right under this 38.2. Okay. And so if we look at it, the target is 134 pips. So I'm risking 47 to make 134. So it's a pretty decent risk to reward ratio. I think I've got some good timing on this. The euro is definitely counter trend, but you can see that every time it touched that 50 period moving average, every single time that 50 period got hit, it popped down. But this time we have a bottom 1, 2, 3. We have taken this out, just barely took this new high out. So we got a conversion here on the MACD. We got a conversion here, a stronger break than what we saw before. So we'll see what happens. But, after 20 trades, if I am consistent, if I lose a few, it's going to be, over the long term, it should be okay because of the good risk to reward ratio. All right. Again, hopefully you guys would like to follow along. I posted that link to the MACD, and if you guys have any questions about this particular strategy, please let me know, because everybody, I'm here live. Might as well take advantage of me being here to answer any questions. But I'll just run through it right now because I noticed a couple people just showed up. And this will be recorded as well, but we'll go through it. So the first thing is we've got a nice, strong downtrend, right? And I'm traditionally like to trade with the trend, but if I see a nice opportunity to catch a solid reversal, one thing you know about downtrends is they always move back to the moving average. You never know when it's going to happen, and so it is a pretty strong move right now. However, we're starting to level out. Okay, you can see that on the daily we have a green candle, and then we have a nice candle here, so it's indicating some turnaround. If we look at the 4-hour, we're flat here. We're starting to break this level. The MACD starting to change over, but what I really got in was the entry on the 1 hour because it crossed strong above this moving average with the MACD, and it's a pretty strong move. Nice burst, got some momentum. And again, I can only do what I can do on the entry. If, oh, excuse me, let me take a drink. Apologize for that. I can only do what I can do on the entry, and I have to follow my trade rules and let it go. At the end of the day, no one ever knows what's going to happen in trading, ever. The best you can do is a 50-50 because you just can't predict the market. It's impossible, right? But what we can do is set our money management up in a way where we can play probabilities, and we know if 50% of the time we can get it right, well then we allow the momentum to carry and catch bigger moves, then we can be profitable. But trying to predict the market without a solid money management strategy is absolutely crazy. And I think most traders actually get into that, and it takes them a long time to figure it out. So in review, I'm going to do 20 trades, and you guys can follow along. And don't forget, we've got Tim who's hosting a new series. It's a full-time course on how to start trading from start to finish. It's going to have every single thing that you would want about trading in it. He's going to be doing those on Wednesdays, and so stay tuned for those. Those are really exciting. And you guys know how great Tim is at answering questions and doing all that fun stuff. So that's going to be it for today. I will update you guys on this trade as it progresses, but right now I got my notepad, which you guys can see here. Here's my notepad. One trade is the euro US dollar, and it's not quite 1,000 risk. It's close, but I have a 47 pip risk with what was it? Let's go 47 pip risk and a 134 pip target. Okay, and thanks for showing up, everybody. Appreciate you guys. I appreciate everyone on our channel, everyone that's on our list, everyone that has gotten any of our products. We just want to help people, and we need you guys to be responsive and engaging to us, to tell us what's going on so we can make things better. We're constantly working at making things better for you guys. All right, well, that's it. Just a quick little 10-minute check-in, and be on the alert. I'll be checking in with you guys later. Thank you.